Certainly. Here are some business ideas that can be started from home and are suitable for women entrepreneurs. Online boutique. Start an online boutique where you can sell fashionable clothing, accessories, or niche products for a specific target audience. Handmade crafts. If you have artistic skills, you can create and sell handmade crafts such as jewelry, pottery, candles, or personalized gifts. Virtual assistant. Offer virtual assistant services to busy professionals or entrepreneurs, assisting them with administrative tasks, scheduling, email management, or social media management. Content writing. If you have strong writing skills, consider becoming a freelance content writer, providing written content for blogs, websites, or marketing materials. Home-based bakery. Start a home-based bakery and offer delicious baked goods, such as cakes, cookies, or specialty desserts, either for pickup or delivery. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students of various age groups. Social media management. Help businesses build their online presence by managing their social media accounts, creating content, and engaging with their audience. Event planning. Utilize your organizational skills and creativity to start an event planning business, specializing in weddings, parties, or corporate events. Remember, before starting any business, it's important to conduct market research, develop a business plan, and ensure you comply with any legal requirements or regulations in your area.